Alright, I thought this would be kind of cool since I am in the process of starting my own video production company. I thought it would be kind of cool just to document some of the stuff that I am acquiring. So I just bought this. This is an OSMO Mobile 3 unit. It's a gimbal, basically a steady cam. So I'm going to crack this baby open and give you guys a look. First look. Alright, so also got the 2-year warranty with this. Comes with 2 years, but I also added a couple years to it as well because I know with contraptions like this, probably break pretty easy. Nice, for $15, I have a 4-year warranty. Which basically means if this thing breaks, I can get it replaced within 4 years or an upgrade. Alright, so let's see. Let's crack this bad boy open. So yeah, I wanted to get this because I just like the idea of having a steady cam, and these things have come a long way since 5 years ago. 5 years ago, they were just garbage. Alright, so we have a nice little cloth kit, or carrying case, if you will. Let's just have a look at this bad boy. Alright, nice. Pretty good. And then we got the little strap, USB cable as well. Let's check this out. It's got a nice weight to it. Feels pretty cool. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, look at that. Pretty neat. I don't think there's oh, there's power. Wow, look at this. It already comes juiced up. Amazing. Wow, I didn't know that. Anyways, I'll have to play with this. Pretty neat. Look at this. With the little lights, everything. Comes with juice. I thought for sure I was going to have to charge this thing up. So what I'm going to do is play around with this thing, and probably in the next video I'll maybe from now on I'll use this thing and whenever I make a new video, so just to give it a little bit more dynamics, if you will. But I actually have my first video shoot tomorrow with our church. It's actually a baptism, outdoor baptism, so that would be kind of cool to use this because it's nice to have something steady. I'll also be using a camera that shoots 2K or 4K. It's a Sony, oh, I forget what the model number is, but it's a professional camera, so that's kind of cool instead of just using an iPhone. But you know what, nowadays iPhones, they can rival these cameras that are $5,000–6,000, no problem. I would go toe to toe with just using the latest iPhone with any camera that's like 4K or sorry, $4,000 or more. Obviously there's some things that you can do with those cameras that you can't do with your iPhone. But when you're just talking basic video shoots and that kind of stuff, man, you can do a lot. It's all in the editing. Anyways, there you go. So I'll be playing with this afternoon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.